Hey guys, so today is very exciting because I finally I'm a little late to the game, the Series 4 game, but I got a new watch. I'm so excited. I had a Series 2 before it broke. Get Apple Care, always get Apple Care. I didn't get Apple Care in this because I'm not sure if I'm not sure, you know, I'm in that in-between not sure stage. When I had my Series 2, I was sure, and I just didn't get it because I was like, it's always gonna be on my wrist. How would it break? What is it on my wrist when it broke? That's another story for another day. Still not over it, but whatever. I really wanted the gold stainless steel Milanese loop 44mm, but that price though wasn't about it, especially because they depreciate in value, you know what I mean? Like essentially everything does for the most part, but it's not like a Rolex where I could sell it and get like a high price for it, you know? Like those are investment pieces and they're a Hermes bag. It's not that. The highest I'd probably get for trading is like one something if I had stainless steel, you know what I mean? That's what it is right now, and I think that's including stainless steel watches. So I just went with something that's like aluminum, which I had before, but a different color, just to feel like I have something different. I love the look of the 44mm watch, especially because I have bands that are 42mm, and thankfully they're interchangeable. Two, I just feel like it looked best on my wrist. 3, back to 1, I have bands already for it, and not a lot, but I don't want to waste those bands. And I had silver aluminum before, so I decided to go with the space gray aluminum, and I have the Nike one specifically because the band that comes with the non-Nike space gray is the band I already have. So because I don't like the sport bands, I like the sport loops because they're more comfy to me, and my skin doesn't react very well to the sports band. I do own a sports band watch because I had a weird reaction to it for the original sport band I had, and they switched out with that one, which didn't have a reaction, but I just don't like the way it feels. Like when it's wet, it's just sweaty and gross. I just don't like the way silicone feels compared to the fabric that they use, and you can I wash it in the wash machine and put it in the fryer. So I got this one, and I'm gonna do an aerial view so that you can see me unbox it. I'm very excited. I like the new packaging for it, which we'll dive more into. And there's some new spring bands that I really want to get. So I'm super excited about that. So let's dive on into this. Alright, you guys, so we have here the watch, the Apple Watch Nike Plus, and this is great if you're part of the Nike Plus Run Club. So if you have those sneakers with the chips at the bottom, it automatically syncs your data to the app. No longer do you need the knives because they have a nice cool pull tab right here. My hands are moisturized. It's going to definitely mark up the box, but I don't mind, so whatever. Cool pull tabs here, and like I said, I got the space gray Series 4 aluminum case with the black Nike sport loop, so 44mm. I've seen a lot of the ones that are non-Nike. I haven't seen the one that is Nike with this beautiful interior. What people don't know is that this interior was intended to also double as a gift box. So ignore the fingerprints if you can. And actually just go like this. Double as a gift box, which is pretty neat. You put like a 2 from, don't know what it is, but it's still pretty cool. So here we are. Let's get rid of this, and we have the watch as well as the watch band box. I like that it's separate like that because it's kind of like Build-A-Bear, like Build-A-Watch basically. The watch, really cool, nice hefty box. It looks really nice. Paperwork about. I know that the ins and outs of it for the most part. I have the adapter, charging adapter, charger, which I have my old one from my Series 2, same wattage, same functionality, so I can use those both. And then the actual watch component is in a beautiful little cloth piece right here, which is so cute. And I did not get the cellular, so I got the GPS only model, and I'm very excited. It's super cute. On the outside it does say 44 millimeters, so that's nice. And you just push it like so through here, so you can like grab it. And here, more paperwork that I did not cut out, and voila, look at that beauty. Now it is reflective. I'm going to touch the band, very simple, just slide it through, you'll hear a little click, see, and then this is already telling us to bring it towards our phone to begin pairing. If you want and you really enjoyed, give this video a like, comment down below any feedback, what I could have done better, and what you enjoyed. If you have the watch, what do you like about it? What's your favorite band, the color this far? And if there's a new watch, what are you hoping to see out of Series 5 or whatever Apple's gonna call it? Alright, see you in a bit. Okay guys, so I hope you enjoyed my unboxing video of the new Series 4 watch. I mean, it's not so new. I mean, it took this long to own it, but it's new to me. Okay, and yeah, it's been out for like 5 months. So the not so new. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing of the not so new Series 4 watch. I really, really like the structure of it, the look, the fact that the screen has been widened by 2 millimeters. I really think that makes a significant difference, along with the thinner body. And it's more rounded. I really, really like this build. I cannot wait to use the ECG factor, and wow, see how that is with the haptic feedback. Oh, I feel it. Oh, I like it. That's nice. Okay, I already know I like the haptic feedback. Yeah, so I will do an update with this. I really want to get serious about my fitness and my health. I've been eating really well for since I'm fasting, and I will actually be doing a video on that as well. I don't know what will come up first because I still need to get a computer. I do have an unboxing of a computer, which I will have up here in the cards and link down below, which will also lead to my unboxing playlist. But I took that computer back because I want a quad-core processor laptop, and so I'm gonna get that hopefully next week or so. So the video should be coming out very soon, within the next week to a month or so, whenever I get that laptop. So yeah, and I'll be having an update on that and fitness updates and all that stuff, which I'll get into at another time. So I hope you enjoyed. Stay lovely, stay blessed, always strive to be your best. I love you, lovely days. I can't wait to set this up, but I'm filming on this phone. I was gonna try to set it up, but I'm using the phone to film. Really, Nicole? Really? In due time, I'll have a studio set up and everything. Get my ish together.